If you ask any motorcycle mechanic which bikes are truly worth your money, they won't talk about speed or looks, they'll talk about reliability. So here are 12 motorcycles that mechanics personally recommend bikes that just refuse to die. 12th place Yamaha MT-07. Every mechanic loves this one. It's simple, bulletproof, and the 689cc twin engine can run forever. Easy to service, fun to ride, it's the definition of reliability. 11th place Honda CB 500F. Honda built this bike for beginners and commuters, but even pros love it. It's smooth, cheap to maintain, and rarely breaks down. Mechanics say the CB500F is one of the easiest bikes to work on, period. 10th place Suzuki SV 650. A legend. Mechanics joke that this bike runs on neglect. The V-twin engine is tough, parts are everywhere, and it just keeps going. Perfect mix of performance and durability. 9th place Kawasaki Ninja 400. It's lightweight, efficient, and super reliable. Mechanics often call it the best beginner sport bike ever made. Cheap insurance, low maintenance, and proven longevity. 8th place Honda CRF 300L. For off-road lovers, the CRF 300L is gold. Mechanics love its simplicity, air-cooled, minimal electronics, and nearly indestructible. It's not fast, but it'll take you anywhere. 7th place BMW R1250GS, one of the most respected adventure bikes ever. Even though it's advanced, mechanics say it's impressively reliable for such a complex machine. Built like a tank, easy to service with proper tools, and designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles. 6th place Yamaha Tenere 700. Adventure mechanics swear by this one. The CP2 engine from the MT-07 is nearly unbreakable, and the design is rugged. If you want a bike that survives anything, this is it. 5th place Honda Africa Twin. Mechanics love it for long-distance reliability. You can cross continents on this thing with nothing but oil changer. Powerful, smooth, and built with Honda precision. 4th place Kawasaki Versys 650. The Versys may not be flashy, but mechanics say it almost never comes into the shop. It's practical, reliable, and cheap to maintain a hidden gem for everyday riders. 3rd place Honda CBR 600RR 2007-2020 models. Mechanics always mention this one as one of the most reliable sport bikes ever built. You can track it, crash it, rebuild it, and it'll still keep going. Honda quality at its best. 2nd place Yamaha R6, older models. Mechanics say the R6 is a race-ready tank. The engine handles abuse, and maintenance is straightforward. If you treat it right, it'll last longer than most riders keep their bikes. 1st place Honda CB 750. Ask any old-school mechanic, this is the icon. Built like a rock, easy to repair, and timeless in design. It's the bike that made Honda famous for reliability. So if you want a bike that lasts for decades, trust the mechanic. These aren't just motorcycles, they're machines built to live forever. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride safe.